Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to connect your MICROLIFE BP B6 with your phone. So first, install the MICROLIFE Connected Health app and open it. Wait a couple of seconds till it's open. Scroll this. OK. Accept. Now allow. And here we need to log in, so give me a moment. OK, I have logged in. And here we can choose the gender, date of birth, height, weight, unit, pressure unit, etc. But now open the Bluetooth settings and right here click the clock icon, and as you can see the Bluetooth is enabled. Now wait till it's right here in the available devices. Pair and give it a moment to pair. OK, and in app we have the thank you for connecting. OK. And now all the information should be on your phone. I don't have any because I didn't use it yet. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.